In this video, we will introduce you to the structure and goals of this course. English for Career Development has 5 units.
Unit 1, Entering the Job Market.
Unit 2, Resumes.
Unit 3, Writing a Cover Letter.
Unit 4, Networking.
Unit 5, Interviewing for a Job.
Throughout the course, you will learn and practice new vocabulary when you read articles, listen to recordings, watch videos, play games, and complete assessments. Each unit has specific language and content goals.
We will give you a quick overview of each unit. Don't worry if some of the words and concepts are new to you. We will explain everything more clearly in the rest of the course.
In Unit 1, Entering the Job Market, we will review how people begin looking for a job in the United States. Our language goals will focus on present tense verbs and compare and contrast structures. Our content goals will help you identify your skills and interests and read job advertisements.
In Unit 2, Resumes, we will tell you about the application process. This begins with a written summary of your job experience, education, and skills, known as a resume. Our language goals are using action verbs and keywords. The content is an explanation of the parts of the resume and the specific information that is included in resumes.
In Unit 3, Writing a Cover Letter, we want to introduce you to format letter writing in the job application process. Our language goals are past tense verbs and using modal verbs for politeness. The content will include professional letter writing format and important parts of the letter.
In Unit 4, Networking, we begin to explore the speaking skills that you will need to introduce yourself in a professional setting. Our language goals are using stress, rhythm, and intonation to make your speaking clearer. Our content goals are to make small talk and describe your skills effectively.
In Unit 5, Interviewing for a Job, we will discuss how to ask and answer questions effectively in a job interview. Our language goals are answering typical interview questions and asking clarification questions. Our content goals include job interview style, behavior, and expectations.
Reading and listening assignments are required throughout the course, and each unit has 1 or 2 assessments designed to help you practice both language and content at the same time. We are delighted to join you in improving your communication skills for your career development.
Before we begin, watch the next video to learn how to have your best course experience and enjoy our exciting Coursera community.